Alright, so Quinn from Casey Custom Welding here. So I'm doing another Hide Away Hitch. So you can see I just took the bumper off, and yeah, I'm gonna be notching out my insides and putting this big thick piece of 3/16 steel in it instead. So let's get to work here. Get her done. Yeah, it's actually pretty sick van. Look at this. Oh yeah, big turbo.
I ended up using the original bolt-on hitch. I cut the ends off and inserted 1.5" 3/16 tube to get the length. I cut the original eye hooks off. Now that's slick. Marking 3 vents to cut out on each side for pin access. Giving it a good file for sharp edges. I make sure all bolts are in before tightening. Making nice cap plates for around the hitch. The hitch all complete. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe.